There are thousands of ways to make tacos, and I want to show you a vegetarian option using these gorgeous little kalets, which is a cross between Brussels sprouts and kale. I love them because they're nutty, they're sweet, and they're a great filler for tacos. So I'm going to place these onto a baking tray, and I've preheated my oven to 200 degrees. We want it to be quite hot because we're going to roast these until they're really caramelized. We'll spread them out. And look how gorgeous they are with their purple tinge. I want to flavour these. So in a bowl, I'll add some cumin seeds, along with some smoked paprika, a good pinch of salt, and some freshly cracked pepper. And then just to bring this together, to almost make a spicy paste, I have some extra virgin olive oil. So I'm not adding too many flavours to this because I really do want to taste the kalette. And I'm also going to be making a mayonnaise, which is full of flavour too. I'll grab a spoon and just give that a quick mix to combine all those flavours. And it's as simple as pouring over. So drizzle that yummy mixture over the kalette. I mean, they're good enough as is, but this is just to really enhance their flavour. Okay, either use your hands or just a spoon just to toss them in the oil and into the oven. They're going to take no time at all. Okay, while they're roasting in the oven, let's make the mayonnaise. So in another bowl, I'll add some mayonnaise and we'll add a few tablespoons into a bowl, along with chipotle in adobo sauce. Now this is a magic ingredient. It's got this beautiful, spicy, smoky flavour and is a fantastic addition to a mayonnaise like this. So I've used one of the chilies from the can and some of the tomato sauce that goes with it. We're going to mix that, and for a zingy flavour, some lime zest. Just use a fine grater for this. I want lots of lime zest for this, and I'll also use the juice. You can also use lemon if you like. Okay, little knife, and I always just like to press down on the lime like this, especially when they're slightly firm, just to get as much of the juice out as possible. Okay, cut that in half, and then a good squeeze. Quick mix, and that is our delicious mayonnaise done. So for the tortillas, I've got these gorgeous street tacos. See how small they are? They just fit in the palm of my hand. These are traditional ones and I just love them. We need to warm them up, just a nice dry pan on a medium heat, and they'll just take a minute on each side. So I'm going to start with 3. Oh, they're so cute. And I'm going to get the kalets out of the oven. I think they're ready. They smell so good. See how golden they are, and they're super crispy, just right. Now I'm just going to move them to the side. I have the coolest little taco holder. How great is that? Very traditional. And I'm going to turn the tacos over now. You really just want to warm them through so they're slightly pliable. I don't want to overcook them. And now we can start filling them. So we'll pop them onto our board, and I'll add a small amount of the mayonnaise to the base, and we're going to add some more on the top too. We'll add some of our crispy kalets to each one of them, and then you can be adventurous with all different types of toppings. I want the freshness of parsley, so a small amount of that, just a few sprigs, and we'll just tear them and add a sprinkle to each. The crunchiness of some crispy shallots over the top. Some more mayonnaise. You know, I love doing this when my friends come over because they can add what they like to it. And I don't stop at just serving kalets. You can do this with some eggplant, some mushrooms, so many different options. And you could add some feta to the top of this, or just a small amount of parmesan just to give it an extra savoury flavour. And we'll pop them in the little holder. That's how they'd serve them at the restaurant. And what a shame it's just a 2 taco holder. This one, I'm just gonna have a taste. Scrunch it up. Smoky mayonnaise, a soft, perfect taco. This flavour combination is perfect for your next Taco Tuesday.